I guess we could officially call this episode 7. Matt got a sick-ass Nissan 240 SX. Today, we are replacing the wheel studs because last Funday, luckily nothing bad happened. Also drove it Sunday. We were gonna do some figure eights at some point for fun, and noticed a weird noise. Also got out and looked and noticed my wheel studs were broke. Got home, realized I had these type, and I didn't know that it was supposed to go in like this. I put it in like this, so they all came loose and broke some shit. But I don't really know what I'm doing, but I watched some YouTube videos. Zach helped me, and yep, I'm gonna replace those along with some other things. Stay tuned. The way to do it, I have extended lug studs, or I did on this side, and I have the shield, so unfortunately I had to cut them. They're all fucked up in there. Then you get a hammer, beat on, so boom. Now you have this open area. Then you go to your local parts store, and you get the proper ones. For my car, it was a 96 Nissan 240. Come over here, it's still pretty hot because it's fresh. Slide it in like that. You get some sort of washers that are bigger that just slide over the bolt and just slide your lug nut on. This just ensures that it keeps it straight when it pulls it through your impacts, and you just can tighten it down until this part pulls through. Fuck, man. Fuck. Well, what happened? Fuck, man. What happened on this one is me and Zach weren't too sure which size I needed, so I got a 92 and a 96. And I just reached into the 92 on accident, so that was the wrong size. No big deal. I'm gonna return this. Get my $10 back. Look at some food. It's really hot. You should be wearing gloves, proper PPE. So tighten that all like that. Make sure it's nice and snug. Make sure it's straight. Put it like this. Fuck. Shout out to all my sponsors. Me, myself, and I over at Alma Creatives and Austin. Oh! Klutch Kickers, Grip Royal. Who's gonna be next?
Drive IV.
Drive IV, yep. Can't forget about Tux. She is awesome. She supports me. As soon as I get fucking goddamn. Really hot. I'm new to this. It's really easy though. It's a great thing. It's a great thing for people to learn. You never know. Get a flat tire, have to change the tires. Put a spare on, don't put your lugs on right, like I did at one time. It led me to this situation. And now you have to learn how to do this. Now we're here. Episode 7.
Just one more. Oh, dang. Normally it only has 4 wheel studs per box.
Oh.
Stock.
Some 240s have Get the fine book version on. I hope that was right. There was 5 in the box. Fucking did it, boy. Bug stud mod. Time to put this wheel on. That'll be it for this episode. Oh. You gotta put your brakes down. Fuck, that would've been terrible.